Due to some violent content, parental discretion is advised.
You fat blood idiot!
Lucy? 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 Lucy, why don't you answer me?
Blah blah blah. Yada 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 yada.
I don't think you're happy enough.
I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. So sexy, yeah.
Hey, mama. Hey, mama.
You know, I don't mean to embarrass you, but I'm a rather brilliant surgeon. Perhaps I could help you with that hump.
What hump?
Horrible, horrible things are going to happen! Let's see how they like my energy ray.
No way, this is bogus, man.
Bogus.
Are you the police?
No, ma'am. We're musicians.
Yada yada.
If you're blue and you don't know where to go to, why don't you go where fashion sits?